How to delete your TikTok account from TikTok PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account just from the TikTok PC version. So all what you have to do, go to tiktok.com right here and then log into your account, and after that go and click on, don't click, just go here and it will show you this list of options. Now choose the settings option right here and wait a few seconds, it will take you to this page. Choose manage account and you will have the option of delete account right here. Just by clicking delete you will be able to delete your account fast and easy. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.